Hello and welcome to Kenya School of Technology Studies. Now we are going to look at fundamentals of information communication technology, topic and overview of application packages, lesson number 12. My name is Jackson, your instructor. Welcome. Now we are going to look at application program known as a spreadsheet. Under spreadsheet, we are going to look at creating, opening and saving, using functions and formulae, then data analysis, i.e. sorting, filtering, and pivot table. Now let us look at the parts of the window. We have number A, that one is a toolbar. In that toolbar, actually we have the standard bar and formatting bar. When you go to number B, or label B, that is a title bar that contains the temporary name of our program, the temporary name of our file, and also the name of the program as Microsoft Excel. Now when you go to C, is the name box, where now the address of a cell appears. When you go to D, is a formula bar. E, that stands for the rows. Then when you go to F, columns. G is a cell. When you go to H, is the vertical scroll bar that can help you to move up and down your page. When you go to I, we have the labels. Then when you go to J, we have the taskbar. Saving a workbook. You need only to click in that window, you need only to click the Office button, then move to Save As, and then move to Excel 97 or hyphen 2003, and then click. Then from there, the saving window will appear, and in this saving window, you need only to select the storage location where you want to save your file, and then in the file name box, delete that temporary name of the file, book 2, and then type the correct name of your file, and finally click Save. Let us now look at headers and footers. Headers are just a few texts that normally you would like them to appear on every page. We also have footers. These are just a few texts that actually you would like to appear at the bottom of all your pages. And to get them, you need only to click Insert on the menu bar. Then you click that command button for headers and footers and type your text there, and then you click on an empty space. There it is well indicated how after clicking the header, command button and footer, that is how it will appear. You need only now to type your text, and then you can click close or you click on an empty space. Page margins. Margins are just blank spaces surrounding your page, and there to get the page margin or to set your page margins, you can click page layout on the menu bar, then move to margins, command button and click, and from that window you can select the margin of your own choice, and then you click on an empty space. Page orientation. Page orientation is now the positioning of the page in relation to text. We have two of them. We have portrait and also landscape. When you want to set the page either to portrait or landscape, you need only to click page layout, command button on the menu bar, then you move to orientation, and from there pick either portrait or landscape. Inserting rows or columns. You need only to highlight or to point exactly where you want to insert the row. You can either right click and then you click insert, or just click home command button on the menu bar, just in the insert button, shortcut command button as it is indicated there, click and then set or insert the number of rows you want to indicate or to insert, and then you click on an empty space. Deleting a row or a column. You need only to highlight and then you click home command button, then go to delete option and click delete, or you can highlight and then right click and click delete. Inserting comments, you need only to click on the menu bar review, then click the comment, click that button or shortcut command button for new comment, type your text and then click on an empty space. The expected result. After typing your new comment, that's how the text will appear, or that's how the result will appear. Inserting, deleting and renaming of the worksheet or of the labels. What you need to do is just to right click the label or the sheet there at the bottom you want to rename. You can right click and then you click rename and then type the name, or you can double click and then type the actual name you want to type to represent your worksheet. To delete, you need only to right click and then you click delete option. Inserting charts. When you want to insert chart, highlight the columns actually you want to use to create the chart from, then click insert, and in the toolbar click the column chart or click the chart option command button. Then you can select there, because we have several types of charts, you can select one chart of your choice and then click. From there, now you can follow the instructions, and then finally you are supposed to click finish and your chart will appear. From there you can format your chart as per your own choice. The expected result after you click finish, this is how it will appear. When it is like this one, you can format the way you would like your chart to appear. There now marks the end. Thank you for listening. We continue in spreadsheet part 2.